I want to show you a few examples of some different features that you're seeing in the microscope that are tripping you up, perhaps. You've already seen several examples of twinning in plagioclases, for example, both Albite and Carlsbad twins. You've also seen some paracline twins, and maybe you've seen the tartan twinning in microcline. Here's an example too of similar polysynthetic twinning, that's parallel twins in a mineral like chloritoid, or you will commonly see it in clinopyroxene. This also has an image down in the lower right of twinning in calcite that you may see more of later. A different kind of twin is a penetration twin. This is rarer than the polysynthetic twinning, but this is where two crystals are growing together and penetrating through one another. And this is an example in starlite. Twins can also result from deformation as the crystal is growing. If there's a stress applied to the rock or to the mineral, it will be deformed, and the twins that result can look like they're interfingering or they're irregular and they don't appear throughout the entire crystal, or the twins may look bent. So just some examples. Another feature that you'll see is exsolution lamellae, and lamellae are just these lines that you're seeing in these minerals in these images. And exsolution is a process that usually happens when a rock is decompressing, meaning it's coming from deeper in Earth's crust to near the surface where we collect it, and it is when the mineral becomes unstable at those pressure and temperature conditions, and a second phase or second mineral crystallizes out of it. And so in this case, we have exsolution lamellae of orthopyroxene and clinopyroxene. The orthopyroxene is the first order yellow mineral in the lower right, and the bright exsolution lamellae of clinopyroxene or augite that are growing out of the orthopyroxene. And here's an example in the lower left of just the opposite. It is the bright second order colors of the augite with the first order interference colors of orthopyroxene showing up in those exsolution lamellae. Another example of some weird textures that you may run across are myrmekite and symplectite. And these two are related. They're basically intergrowths of two different minerals. And myrmekite is when you've got blebs of quartz or feldspar crystallizing out of quartz or feldspar. In this case, this lower left, it appears as quartz blebs within plagioclase. On the right-hand side, symplectite is a similar kind of intergrowth, again resulting from a breakdown of an unstable mineral and a second phase crystallizing out of a first, or the original phase. And this is these two images they're false color images, but these are symplectites of pyroxene and plagioclase growing together.